Hey guys, welcome to DOMS Easycook. Today we are making a roasted tomato soup that's rich, silky and full of deep flavor. And in less than 2 minutes, you will learn how to make it perfectly. Let's do that. We begin with 150 grams of red bell pepper and we slice it beautifully. Next, we chop 80 grams of leeks. Then add 150 grams of chopped onions. Now, we go in with 50 grams of celery stick and 20 grams of garlic because flavor start here. And now, the star of the show, the rare hero, 900 grams of plum tomatoes, chopped and ready. Now, season with black pepper, salt, and a drizzle of olive oil. Then mix gently, just enough to combine everything. Into the oven at 180 degrees and roast until everything becomes soft, sweet, and deeply caramelized. Let it cool, then transfer everything into a blender. Add 30 grams of butter and 120 grams of cream and blend until it becomes a rich, smooth puree. Now, strain it so the soup becomes silky and clean, removing any fibrous texture. Add enough water and 2 grams of fresh basil. Reduce until it turns thick, creamy, and irresistible. Check out my playlist for more delicious recipes. Till we meet again, don't forget to subscribe. Like, peace out.